Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Toyota key fob battery, used for many different models, different years, Rav4, Camry, Corolla, Highlander, mostly after 2008. The battery you will need is a CR1632 for those with 3 buttons, and CR2032 if you have 4 buttons, which includes also the trunk release. So it really depends which one you have. This one is a 1632. You can click on the link below for both of them, or CR2032. I will show you in a second how you know. You will see once we open the key fob. Very easy process. What we have to do is to take the emergency key out, which we do by pushing this button right here. Okay, so we push and it comes out. Okay, push, comes out. Now what we have to do is, you see this slot right here, simply push and turn clockwise and it opens. Once again, very easy, you don't have to apply a lot of pressure. This slot, push and you slide clockwise and it opens. Okay, now we see the battery here, which is 1632, I'm sorry. Okay, don't worry if the electronic comes out. Okay, you have to simply put it back, make sure that it fits. Shouldn't be a big deal. What I do now, I just take a small screwdriver, flathead. Okay, there is a slot right here. Show you this right here. Okay, and I just very gently pull the battery, take it out. Then when we put it back in, we have to put first where the V is, like you see here, this part first. So we slide it. As I said, the battery CR1632 if you have, and you will see CR2032, so you just have to replace it with CR2032. Same process. First the bottom part, and then just like that, and then we push. Okay, once again, slot right here, get it closer, right here, underneath, comes out, and then to put back, just like that, and then we push. Okay, now all we have to do is to take the cover, put it back in, make sure that everything works, as you can see, and you're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Let us know what you think. Thank you.